The storm came fast that summer. It tore right through the trees. It flooded all the sidewalks and bent us at the knees. We held each other tighter as the windows cracked with fear. You whispered, "I'm not leaving," and I knew we'd stay right here. It wasn't the thunder that scared me most that night. It was wondering if love would stay when nothing else felt right. But the rain never took your hand from mine, never washed your voice away. Even when the power died, your love still lit my way. It drenched the world, but not our vow, the one we never spoke. The winds could howl and heavens fall, but not everything broke. We patched the roof with laughter, hung pictures back in place, mended with the kind of care you only show with grace. The storm left marks around us, but never deep inside, because love